Welcome to Charlie's How-To for Homeowner. My name is Fernando with John Stevenson Plumbing, Heating and Air. During this video, we are going to show you how to maintenance your drain fixture with BioOne. In this video, we will be talking about the product we use called BioOne. This product is one industry professionals recommend. Stay away from your typical store-bought drain cleaners. Those can potentially be very harmful to your drain system and unsafe to have in your home, especially those with little ones. Unlike those other drain cleaners, BioOne is safe to have in your home. If accidentally consumed or if it gets on your skin, it won't burn or cause any internal damage. There are no chemicals in it. BioOne is a healthy bacterial enzyme, otherwise known as a live bacteria. Drains need bacteria to break down fats, oils, and greases. With so many antibacterial soaps nowadays, your drain really needs the help. BioOne reintroduces a healthy bacteria that doubles every 20 minutes and spreads throughout your drainage system, taking those fats, oils, and greases with it. It is essentially a probiotic for your drain. Now I will show you how to test and apply this to your drainage system. First thing first, if you already have the drain fixture you want to treat, then ignore this next section. The best way to test your drainage fixture is to block your drain so the water cannot go down and fill up your sink, tub, or shower with water about halfway to the top. Then you release the water and determine the flow. This is normally done by a professional to diagnose. However, I'll show you a tip. You want to look for a swirl or a tornado when the water is going down. That is a good sign. It means you have a good flow. Find a fixture that goes slow or not at all. And this is where you will want to start for your treatments. Once you find the fixture you intend to treat, the instructions will be on the bottle. You're going to tip the bottle towards the top to fill up the measuring cup portion of the bottle to the 2-ounce mark. Then you open up the bottle and dump those 2 ounces down the intended fixture and let it sit for 6 to 8 hours. That means not running water at the fixture for that amount of time. The longer you wait, the better. And then BioOne will do the rest. That is all we have for you today. Thank you so much for watching Charlie's How-To for Homeowners. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have questions about what we did here today, or you want to tell us your tips and tricks, please write them in the comment section below and we'll reply as soon as we are able to. Hope you enjoyed.